2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 1 is 2, and 2 to the power 0 is 1, but why not 0? Not only 2 to the power 0 is 1, but any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Even 0 to the power 0 is 1. Let's understand why. Before we move to the explanation, I want to give you all a beautiful activity. Understand the pattern and find the value of x. In this video, there are 3 methods to be discussed. Moving to method first. 2 to the power 0 can be written as 2 to the power 1 minus 1, which can be further written as 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1. Because when same bases are in multiple, their power can be added. At last, we can write 2 raised to the power minus 1 as 1 divided by 2. So we can say 2 divided by 2 is 1. If this was tricky for you, then focus on next method. 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We can multiply and divide it by 2, which can be simplified as 2 raised to the power 4 divided by 2. Let's write it in one side. Same as that, we can write 2 raised to the power 2 as 2 to the power 3 divided by 2. Same with the 2 to the power 1. At last, we can write 2 to the power 0 as 2 to the power 1 divided by 2, which is 1. Moving to the quick method, we can write
2 raised to the power 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1.
2 to the power 1 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1.
So 2 raised to the power 0 is just 1 because there is no 2.
Congratulations! Now you know a math fact that most people aren't aware of. Level up your math expertise. This video is your next step.